Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can delete your Skype account on your device. Before we get started, make sure that you're logged in and also make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, open up your Skype application. As you open up your Skype application, the interface kind of look like this. On this following page, in the top left corner, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. As you tap on your profile icon, so then from the drop down menu, tap on settings, which is right in between. As you tap on account and profile, on the other side you can see a lot of information. So from here you'll have to scroll down, and right at the bottom you can see close your account. Tap on it. As you tap on it, on the other page you land inside help center. Right on top you can see how do I close my account for Skype. So you can go through it and then slightly scroll down. Right in between you can see a link that is Microsoft account closer page. So then tap on the link in order to access. As you tap on it, next page you'll have to verify your identity. So then tap on any one of these following method. As I'll be going with my email address. In order to confirm your identity, you must enter your verification code. So that will be sent through your email. So then make sure to check your email. Right over here you can see that I've received an update. As you can see there's a verification code. So then simply copy it and then enter the verification code. And once you do that, tap on verify. On the other page, once again there is a confirmation, so then make sure to go through it. Here it says that your account will be deactivated for 60 days and after 60 days your account will be permanently deleted. Under it there are terms and conditions, so then make sure to go through it and don't forget to mark on these following boxes, which is in the left hand side corner. So then mark on all of these following boxes. Once you've marked on all of these following terms and conditions, so scroll down. On the second step, you'll have to provide a reason for deleting your account. So then tap on a small arrow icon, which is right in the corner. As you tap on it and from the drop down menu, select any one of these following reason. Once you've gone through all of the terms and conditions and selected the reason, so then tap on mark account for closure in the bottom left corner. Right over here you can see that my account closure has been submitted and all you have to do is tap on done. In case if you change your mind, so you can still log in within 60 days and after that your account will be permanently deleted. And that is how you can delete your Skype account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.